Hello everybody, it's September the 22nd, 2021. I've been working on the 1984 Honda Interceptor VF500 for the last couple of days here. Right now she's undergoing a repainting. I had talked about going with a 1985 blue, but I'm going to go ahead and stay with the red and just freshen up the colors. She is a real lovely bike in red. I had the carburetors rebuilt on this bike just last week, I think it was. They found a broken carburetor number 2 and they replaced that and went ahead and rebuilt the whole thing, and so she's rebuilt and ready to roll and go fast. In fact, she goes very fast. Brought her home from the shop and I was doing 70 effortlessly. Everything works on her. I'll start her up in a second. They don't make bikes like this anymore, you know? That's my opinion. Start her up. Check the signal lights. Try the right side. Give her a little rev. Let's check out the brake lights. Check out the high beam. Check the horn out. That would wake up somebody. So I fixed this left blinker here, and I fixed the rear left blinker too. They needed replacing. They were broken and taped up, but you know, I went ahead and changed them out, and they're without tape now and looking good. I'm very pleased to report that this Interceptor is in fine working, running condition. No complaints. I wish I could take you guys for a ride on her so you can see how fast she goes. But that's impossible today. She's not dressed to be out on the road. Maybe after she's dressed, put her out there on the freeway. We'll push her. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the little presentation of this 1984 Honda VF500. Godspeed, everybody.